Could death be a door to parallel universes? Scientists believe that there may be an infinite number of parallel universes. So what happens when you die? Are you going to a different universe? Are you ceasing to exist? Let's find out. Number 10. The quantum immortality conspiracy. The quantum immortality conspiracy revolves around a thought-provoking concept blending quantum mechanics and the nature of consciousness. Proponents suggest that consciousness is not bound by the physical constraints of our universe, rather, it is an eternal entity. According to this theory, when one faces death in any given reality, their consciousness does not cease. Instead, it transitions to a parallel universe where the individual continues to exist, bypassing death entirely. This process is theorized to repeat endlessly, creating a scenario where consciousness experiences a form of immortality across an infinite array of realities.
Forward in time, to view alternate futures, to see all the possible outcomes of the coming conflict.
This idea leans heavily on the interpretation of quantum mechanics known as the many worlds interpretation, which posits the existence of countless universes spawned from every decision, chance, and event. Number 9. Parallel Universe Colonization Agenda. The concept of a parallel universe colonization agenda suggests that certain influential groups or entities may be aiming to colonize alternate realities by manipulating events that result in widespread fatalities. Proponents of this theory speculate that these entities orchestrate events on a global scale to facilitate the migration of consciousness to parallel universes where they possess control or dominance. While this idea may sound like science fiction, it reflects a deep-seated fear of unknown powers and the possibility of manipulation beyond our understanding. It draws upon concepts from theoretical physics and explores the potential consequences of altering the fabric of reality. Number 8. Celestial Gatekeepers Conspiracy. The Celestial Gatekeepers Conspiracy is a theory that proposes the existence of celestial beings or extraterrestrial entities who serve as guardians at the boundary between life and death. According to this theory, these gatekeepers possess the authority to decide the specific parallel universe to which a person's consciousness will transition after death. This decision is believed to be based on certain criteria or agendas, which remain a subject of speculation among adherents of the theory. The concept suggests a cosmological system where the afterlife is not a singular, uniform destination but a network of alternate realities, each governed by its own set of rules and inhabited by different entities. Proponents of this theory often cite anecdotal evidence, near-death experiences, and ancient mythologies that hint at the involvement of supernatural or extraterrestrial beings in the post-mortem journey of the soul. Number 7. Soul Harvesting Scheme. The concept of a soul harvesting scheme suggests the belief in malevolent forces that seize souls at the point of death, whisking them away to parallel universes for dubious purposes. Proponents of this idea speculate that these forces exploit souls for energy extraction or enslavement. In various cultures, beliefs about the afterlife and the fate of the soul after death differ widely, ranging from reincarnation to eternal rest or punishment. These beliefs are deeply rooted in cultural and religious traditions. While the idea of soul harvesting may evoke fear or fascination, it remains a matter of personal belief rather than proven fact. Number 6. Parallel timeline manipulation. They propose that certain powerful organizations or entities might have developed advanced technology capable of influencing the transition of consciousness after death. This technology, according to the theory, could redirect individuals to parallel timelines. The purpose behind such manipulation is believed to be the alteration of historical events, potentially steering the course of humanity in directions favorable to those in control. The idea posits that by shifting key individuals into alternate realities, pivotal moments in history could unfold differently, thus reshaping the present and future. Number 5. Matrix Resurrection Theory. The Matrix Resurrection Theory is an intriguing concept inspired by the movie The Matrix, suggesting that death might not be the end, but rather a transition within a simulated reality. According to this theory, when we die, our consciousness is not extinguished. Instead, it migrates to a parallel universe that exists within the confines of a larger simulation.
Carpenters, the very minds of the people we are trying to save.
This idea borrows from both the cinematic universe of The Matrix, where reality is a digital construct controlled by advanced machines, and the philosophical and scientific hypothesis known as simulation theory. Simulation theory posits that our reality could be an artificial simulation, akin to a highly advanced computer program. The Matrix Resurrection theory takes this notion a step further by implying that what we perceive as death is simply a mechanism within the simulation to transfer consciousness from one part of the program to another. Number 4. Interdimensional consciousness transfer. Interdimensional consciousness transfer is a speculative theory suggesting that advanced beings or entities might use the moment of death to transfer consciousness across parallel universes, thereby manipulating reality for specific goals. This concept, more at home in science fiction than current scientific understanding, hinges on the idea that consciousness is not confined to our physical universe. Instead, it can traverse between different realities, each with its own set of physical laws and histories. Advocates of this theory propose that these entities could be seeking knowledge, experiences, or even escaping adverse conditions in their original universe. Critical to this theory is the notion of a multiverse, a concept entertained by some interpretations of quantum mechanics, which posits the existence of an infinite number of parallel universes. Number 3. Multiverse reincarnation conspiracy. The multiverse reincarnation conspiracy posits a fascinating blend of metaphysics and quantum theories, suggesting that upon death, our consciousness doesn't cease but instead transitions into parallel universes. This theory stretches the conventional understanding of reincarnation beyond the linear progression of lives within a single universe to encompass infinite realities, where each version of ourselves lives out variations of existence. Proponents argue that this perpetual cycle of rebirth across countless universes enables us to experience a vast array of lives, lessons, and perspectives, potentially contributing to the evolution of our consciousness on a cosmic scale. Number 2. Cosmic portal hypothesis. The cosmic portal hypothesis posits an intriguing perspective on life, death, and consciousness. It suggests that death might not be an end, but a gateway or portal to parallel universes. According to this hypothesis, our consciousness transitions to an alternate version of ourselves residing in these parallel universes whenever we die. This theory potentially offers explanations for phenomena such as near-death experiences, NDEs, and déjà vu. NDEs are reported by people who have come close to death but survived, often describing feelings of peace, out-of-body experiences, or encountering bright lights. Déjà vu, the sensation of having already experienced the present situation, might be explained by this hypothesis as glimpses into the lives of our alternate selves in parallel universes. Number 1. Quantum shift theory. Quantum shift theory is a fascinating hypothesis that explores the nature of consciousness and its persistence beyond death. It suggests that at the moment of death, our consciousness does not simply vanish. Instead, it undergoes a quantum shift, transitioning into a parallel universe. This theory draws on principles from quantum mechanics, proposing that just as particles exhibit behavior beyond the physical constraints of a single location or state, so too might our consciousness. The essence of this idea is that our awareness, the very core of who we are, could exist in a state of quantum superposition, allowing for a seamless transition to alternate realities upon death. In these parallel universes, it is theorized that we continue to exist, possibly in different forms or under different circumstances, thereby experiencing a form of continuous life that defies our conventional understanding of mortality. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel to be informed about new videos.